In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template for projects in Basecamp. This can save you a lot of time and effort by automating the setup of recurring projects. Let's dive in and start from the very beginning. To start off, you'll want to be on your Basecamp homepage. Once you're there, look for the option that says Make a New Project. Depending on the version you're using, this might have slightly different wording, but the function remains the same. Select that option to begin creating your new project. Next, you'll be faced with a choice. You can either use an existing template or create a brand new one. If you're operating on a version with these options, decide whether an existing template meets your needs or if a new one is necessary for your specific scenario. In our walkthrough today, we're focusing on creating a new template, so go ahead and choose that option if available. Now, it's time to give your template a name and a description. Be descriptive and clear when naming it so that it's immediately recognizable. For instance, you might name it Website Build Template Agency, or something similarly specific to the projects you'll use it for. Once that's decided, you'll enter the main setup for your template. Here, you'll configure everything that you want included when this template is used for new projects. Start by selecting the tools your project will use. Among the options, you might find Messages, To-Dos, Docs and Files, and a schedule. Pick whichever combination matches what you typically need. Now we get into the details with to-do lists. Create your lists and add individual items that will form the foundation of your project planning. For each to-do item, you have the option to attach relevant files or necessary documentation. An important tip here is to set relative due dates, which means assigning timelines such as Week 1, Kickoff, or Week 2, Design Review, rather than fixed calendar dates. This allows flexibility and adaptability for whenever the template is used. Optionally, you can add people or roles who are usually part of these projects. This step can be incredibly helpful because when you initiate a new project from this template, these contacts will be added automatically, saving you extra steps down the line. Don't forget to save your template. This is a crucial step because once saved, your template becomes a powerful tool for streamlining your project management tasks. Whenever you need to create a new project of this type, simply select this template, and everything will be pre-populated for you. And there you have it, an efficient way to standardize and simplify the process of setting up recurring projects in Basecamp. Thanks to templates, you can ensure consistency and save valuable time. I hope you found this guide helpful, and don't hesitate to go back over any section if you need further clarity. Happy project planning!